I am waiting at Stearns with a ticket in hand, rolling through the heart of Cumberland. The whistle cries through the pine tree shade, past old trestles the miners made, following rails where the coal once ran, into the hills of Kentucky land. Ride that lunch train down the valley floor, where the echoes of the miners linger evermore. From Stearns to Blue Heron, through the forest green, carrying dreams along a forgotten sea. Hear the wheels sing history's refrain on the big South Fork Scenic Railway train. The river sparkles beside the track, telling stories that won't come back. Company houses and tipples gone, but the spirit of the camp still carries on. Children wave from the coach car side, watching hawks on the thermal ride. Every curve reveals another page from a coal camp's hard-working age. Ride that lunch train down the valley floor, where the echoes of the miners linger evermore. From Stearns to Blue Heron, through the forest green, carrying dreams along a forgotten sea. Hear the wheels sing history's refrain on the big South Fork Scenic Railway train. At Blue Heron the lunch bell rings, beneath the cliffs where the songbird sings. Ghost structures rise from the mountain stone, reminders that no place stands alone. Men once labored beneath these hills, facing darkness with iron wills. Now visitors gather beneath the sky, learning how the years roll by. Afternoon shadows begin to fall, the conductor gives the final call. Back towards Stearns through the winding pass, watching sunlight fade on the mountain grass. The whistle sounds one last goodbye, a lonely note beneath the sky, leaving memories beside the track, and the promise we'll be coming back. Ride that lunch train down the valley floor, where the echoes of the miners linger evermore. From Stearns to Blue Heron, through the forest green, carrying dreams along a forgotten sea. Hear the wheels sing history's refrain on the big South Fork Scenic Railway train. Steel on steel and a fading horn, past the places where legends were born. Through the Cumberland hills we'll remain, forever